Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to set folder colors in your Unreal Engine project content browser so you can easily manage and easily identify your different folders. So you can basically create a color palette for your folders as well. And let me show you how to do it. So basically you can see that um, there's this old folder and there's this content folder. So as you know, the content folder contains all the files or assets that you are using in your Unreal Engine project, and we can use this as your my computer or any folder within your computer. It basically has folders to organize any files that you have. So you can see that I imported or I have added my third person template project into my into a empty project, and there are a bunch of folders that I can see, and if I want to set different colors for these folders, what I have to do is you can basically right click any folder and there is this option called set color. So if you click on this set color, you will see this color picker window, and this color picker window in Unreal Engine 5.6 is bit different than um, previous versions of Unreal Engine, and you can set any color that you think for your folder. Now I'm going for this type of purple color, and if you set this color in here, you can use this color wheel, and also you can use this bars here to set your color, and also there is this RGB bars, and also there are these HSV bars. Also you can input your hex code of the sRGB color code, and you can see that this is the previous color or the original color of the folder. Now this is the new color that we are going to apply, right? If you cancel this, it will not apply to this folder, but if you set this color and click OK, it will set the color for your folder. But for reusability and for reusability, and if you want some color palette defined a way that you want to do, you can just go to set color. Right now, now you can also see that now we have set a color to this third person folder. Now if you go to the set color option, you will see that new color option and clear color. You can basically clear, and clear means it resets the color to the default color, or you can go to the new color. So if you go to the new color, you can see that there's this bar. Right now, this bar is called as color theme options. Now if you drop down this, if you click and get the drop down of this, you can see that there is this saved color themes. You can basically click on this new theme, and you can click on rename, and I'm going to rename it as folder palette. Now you don't have to do this only for folders. If you want to have any color palette for your UI, if you want to have a color palette for your blockout measures, if you want to have a color palette for anything inside Unreal Engine project, you can make different color palettes for each. Now I'm going to use this folder palette, and I'm going to press enter, and now you can see that I have this folder palette color theme, and now you can see that this folder palette is selected. That is why this white dot is appeared here. Now you can see that there is this plus button. Now if you want to add this purple color into your folder palette, what I just have to do is you just click on this plus mark, and now it is added to this color palette. Now if you want to add another color to your palette, I'm going to select another color in here like this. Right now this is my new color. You can basically click on this add icon, or you can also click on here. Now it basically adds the second color to your palette. Now I'm going to select a bluish color and add one, and I'm going to select a greenish color and select. Now I have 4 colors in my folder palette. Now if you want to code this or rename each of these colors, what you have to do is right click on this color and it has a color label, right? Now I am going to put characters for this color label and just press enter. Now you can see that this is the color for color. This is color for character. And if you want to label this as input, and I'm going to label this as level, and I'm going to label this as blueprint. Right now I have this color palette called folder palette, and I have 4 colors, and each color has its own label. First one is character, the second one is input, the third one is level, and the fourth one is blueprint. Right now I'm going to click OK, and right click on the characters folder, set color, new color, and I'm going to select this folder palette and click on this character. Click OK. Now you can easily set any color for your folder. Right now you can also see that these colors are applied only to the main folders. Now I have a mistake here. Yeah, this is the blueprint, right? Okay. Now, if you want to add colors to these child folders, you can also expand these folders like here and click on the top folder, and with shift key pressed, click on the last folder, and I'm going to right click, set color, new color, and it's going to be character labeled color. Now I have all the folders within the characters folder color labeled as character color. Right now you can do this for other folders as well, and you can see that this has existing colors which shows you the recent colors that you have used. So I'm going to use them here to save my time. Right, I'm going to set this color for this and this color for this one. Now you can see that you can have organized your folders with any folder color palette. Now if you want to add another color palette, what you have to do is you can basically go here, create new theme, and let's say you have a color palette for your UI designs for your game, and I'm going to rename it as UI palette and click enter, and now you can have any color that you want for this palette, and also you can switch between these palettes as well. Now that's how it works. You can basically duplicate any color theme and also delete any color theme. Now if you want to delete this UI palette, basically select the UI palette and click on delete. And also if you want to duplicate this folder palette, click on the folder palette, duplicate, and you can get a copy of that and you can change it. So Unreal provides these kind of options in Unreal Engine 5.6, but you can also do this in Unreal Engine previous versions, but it is not interactive as this. I'm focusing on Unreal Engine 5.6 and 5.6 and next versions after 5.6. because I really love what Unreal did with Unreal Engine 5.6. They have optimized the engine, and there are many user-friendly options for developers. So yeah, that is why I'm using Unreal Engine 5.6 for now. And also, I can put colors to these folders as well. So these are default folders, all folder and the content folder. If you want to set a color for these, you just have to right click, set color, and I'm going to add, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to add ash color, since these are some common folders, right? I'm going to rename this as common, okay? And I can also set this color to all folders as well. Now you can keep these folders really cool, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you.